keep watching this video if you want to see how to make some quick and simple gift tags on your Cricut. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do sublimation, Cricut, and kid craft videos. So if any of those things interest you, please subscribe, hit the bell notifications button to be notified every time I upload, and stay tuned for 10 days of Craftmas videos. Okay, so we're gonna start with the blank canvas, and then we're gonna go into images and we're gonna search for Christmas, and then you're gonna pick the images you like. I suggest simple images that will be easy for the Cricut to cut. So these are the images I picked, so I'm just rearranging them so that I can see them all. So I'm going to duplicate the tag, and these are all Christmas tags, so I'm going to duplicate them and hide the contours for the inside, and then I'm going to turn it white so it's easy to see what the Cricut has written on it. And I'm going to type out what I want. I'm going to write out to and from, and then I'm going to pick the typeface or the font that I want. And you can also select the option under filter for writing to see what fonts you can use for the Cricut to write that won't be hollow. If you use one of your regular fonts, it's going to be hollow, but that's okay. You can always go in with the pen afterwards and fill in those spots, which is what I usually do because I prefer a lot of the other fonts than the writing font. And if you do pick out one that is not a writing font, you can just change it from cut to draw. And then you're going to attach each word to the object. And then we're going to send it to the Cricut, and we're going to put in our pen in the A clamp and our fine point blade in the B clamp, and then we're just going to let the Cricut do its thing. I taped my cardstock down because my mat isn't the stickiest and I didn't want it to move while the Cricut was cutting or writing. And then you can just write on them, fill them out. And then take a piece of string and tie it to your gift. What did you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it useful and you're able to make your own little gift tags that add a little bit of a personal, cool touch to your Christmas gifts. If you did enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not already, subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you can be notified every time I upload. And keep staying tuned for the 10 days of Craftmas. Okay? Love you guys. And we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So let's get it. Bye.